the targets of U-space, which were to solve dense urban environment, a lot of activity, a lot of drones, competition between companies. So for that specific problem, U-space was meant to solve. It's going to take time, money, effort.
Yeah, for me, I would like to see more contribution from the cities, from the communities, because it's their airspace. There should be really good understanding from those also, from a city planning perspective, how the drones gonna affect the airspace over the cities, over the people, over populated areas.
Helsinki has a great position together regionally with the city of Vantaa, for instance, to go forward and start forming the common understanding of the this low air spatial use, and also collaborate with a much wider collaborative ecosystem than what we usually do. I think that's the takeaway from me today.